How to remove linked account on Wealthfront. Follow the instructions. Log into your Wealthfront account using your credentials from the app or desktop site to access your dashboard. Tap on the settings icon located in the top right corner of the screen to manage your account preferences. Under Settings, select the Linked Accounts or Bank Connections option to view your connected accounts. Browse through the list of linked accounts and identify the specific account you want to remove or disconnect. Click on the linked account you wish to remove to view detailed information and options related to that account. Tap the Remove or Unlink button shown next to the selected account to begin the removal process safely. Confirm your action in the pop-up that appears asking if you're sure you want to unlink this account permanently. Once removed, return to the dashboard to verify that the account no longer appears in your linked accounts list. Thank you for watching.